2nd Australian Somali Football Championships.
ASFA is a very important community organization. It's a proof to ourselves as Somalians and especially young people that we can take part in this country's makeup and we can start to build blocks for our community to move forward. It's time that we Somalians took our rightful place in this beautiful country of ours. So thank you for having us, and please enjoy the football and may the best team win. Thank you.
riyadatan doonisteedii hurdada deris kula ahaan jiray dabayshiyo dhaxanta dayre sigatii iga noqday wow armay darani adiga tahay armay darani adiga tahay
I congratulate Debney and his committee in running the championships and delivering their key objectives, which are about leadership and capacity building, which is about engagement of community women, which is engagement about youth, engagement of elders, youth hero building, and we can't go forward without our youth heroes.
Let's go! playing for North Melbourne. I'm the keeper. Yeah, I'm very excited about playing in the finals, you know, because I want to beat Heidelberg real bad. Yeah, we got a new swag.
We got a new team, better teamwork, more commitment. We're coming out there to win, baby.
Inshallah, tomorrow's grand final, we're going to do what we did last year to North Melbourne. Let's go!
I am part of the Carlton crew. My fella's done a great job today. The kids grown up actually from last year. We've got a couple of additions just for strength and experience. That's what we were lacking last year, but apart from that, wallahi, we played very, very well. We played them off the park. The Perth boys, thanks for a great match because they were very, very good, but we were better, but if you know what I mean.
Carlton, let's go! Let's go, Carlton, let's go! Let's go, Carlton, let's go!
Really good. We started it slowly because everyone wasn't warm, you know, and we picked it up. We played good at the end. We won 4-0, so that was a good game.
We just thought it was really good actually. A good setup for the Somali community. This is very enjoyable for the kids, for the families. And I like how the whole interstate is participating in the competition.
We know how it feels to lose in a final, so we're here to win it this year, no doubt. We have to do it for our home fans, the loyal supporters.
And congratulations to all of the teams who have been involved in these last few days. And a big thanks to all the supporters as well, the mums and dads and brothers and sisters who are all here supporting the teams. What I'd like to see is in the coming years, some of these little ones who are here aspiring to be just like the winners that we've seen here today. It's about your future in Australia and about you celebrating everything that is good about your culture as well.
Today couldn't have been any better. Fantastic win, guys. Congratulations. Absolutely perfect final. I couldn't be happier.
I play for Collingwood. The youngsters, the young team, the newcomers in the tournament. Here, top goal scorer. Today we won 1-0, even though we could have scored more goals. But hopefully, the tournament's coming on. It's going to keep continuing. We're going to progress. We're going to progress.
Defending champion Heidelberg Stars. Please put your hands together for North Melbourne-Flemington. Thank you. And now to the kickoff, to the biggest game on the Somali calendar. The 2011 Australian Somali Football Championships.
Hey, we're the champions, baby.
It's sad because we lost.
Very disappointed.
Very disappointed. But
It's
hey,
okay. It's okay.
There's always next year, I guess.
Thank you very much.
Madaale anigoo cabdixakiin aad baan u faraxsanahay ciyaarta ka dhacday maanta garoonka Kensington ciyaartani waxay ahayd ciyaar aan inaba la filaynin waxaan weligeed iyo waayadan aan dhicin
mahad ciyaarta maanta aad ay u kululayd inkastoo ciyaar aad u qurux badan aa muujiseen oo 5 iyo 2 aa ku risay weliba idinkoo qofka iga maqnaa sida u aragtaa ciyaarta
runtii waxay tahay ciyaar rag tiimkana waxay spirit ayaa ku jira shalay xataa waxaan isgaranaynaa 2 eber marka tiimku waxa tiis aaminsan weeye waa isku dagaalmay
soo socda ciyaarada wanaagsanaa runtii waa muhiim ciyaaraha kale in la qabto waa Soomaalida isku keenaysa dhalinyarada isku baranaya waa muhiim dadkii waxaan soo asaasay
Debney come on Melbourne come on
Firstly, I just want to thank North Melbourne for winning. I want to congratulate you boys. Congrats. And this cup is for the boys. Inshallah, 2012 winners is going to be Carlton.
We are the champions. 2 years, we waited 1 year for this 1 year. It's been long, it was painful last year, but we are the champions now. Time to enjoy and party tonight. That's all I gotta say. Thanks.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, brother.